Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, Angular 20 came. So I am today in this post I am going to show you the changes came with Angular 20. See the version Angular 20.3, so latest. Now friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the Angular 20. I have done demo dashboard, and don't worry, I will also share the course snippet link as well tomorrow as well. But today I will show the changes came with Angular 20. See, first the structure is same, and but see, before there is the file like app.component.html file. Now only app.html file. See, app.component.ts changes to app.ts. See, and I have generated new few components like home. Let me show you the file names home.ts and home.html, and dot component has been removed. See, and see the routing changes as well. See guys, the routes file. See, first here is home/home dot component, and now only home. And see, and also home is there, and rest all the things are same. And see the package .json file Angular 20, so latest version has been installed. And also guys, I will share the new updates as well, and also tomorrow I will share the Angular 20 admin dashboard as well. So in this post I have shown you few changes. See guys, okay, thank you guys, and in the end I must say please subscribe my channel, please support me, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.